Changing your payout method on Northeast Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Northeast Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payout preferences. Step 3. Select Payout Method. In the Account Settings, find the option for Payout Method or Payment Preferences. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating your payout method, review the changes for accuracy. Confirm and save your new payout method to ensure it is applied to future transactions. By following these steps, you can easily change your payout method on Northeast Credit Union. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.